Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid, just going to love into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So I'll go on holiday today to Turkey, so I'll try and get videos out to you as best as I can. But right now, you know, I don't want to get too bullish on XRP. We definitely do need to see one thing going forward, okay? And this is just the one thing on your radar. That low has to hold to confirm that that was the low, and right now all of this is just sort of bullish structure building up, coiling up for the continuation, and then basically a large breakout to the upside, you know, because obviously, you know, we could still be in a correction here, coming back up to this high up there and then roll again, you know. So this is a really key low going forward at 0.2876 for XRP, you know, and all of this here is just a level of accumulation in a bull market looking for something like this for the continuation going forward for XRP, okay, you know. So right now, key resistance all the way up there, and that is key support. Okay, let me drop that key resistance in for XRP. So like I said to you, there's going to be lots of opportunities here, lots of little trades, shorts, longs, whatever, within this range until we sort of break that 0.3869 or we lose that 0.2876, you know. And I wish I could say to you with certainty that XRP is going to do either, you know, but it is what it is. It's support and resistance. So within all this noise and chop, there are possibilities, and yet the other day I did give you one in the sense that we've got this inverse head and shoulders pattern here coiling up on this level of resistance. Like I said to you, price compression leads to expansion. You can see you're holding the 55 consistently, you're coiling up, we're into resistance, so you've got a break there. Okay, price compression leads to expansion, and like I said to you, by breaking out of this trend line here, it could be a precursor. You're going to break this trend line, okay, of this potential cup and sort of handle pattern channel coming back and breaking out, basically. So it's all tradable from there to there. All the way down to the head is a neckline, and you can say, okay, well, we did break out and that was the minimal target, all the way up there on the 1414, and you can see you're moving through these fibs. Look at this, you're moving through these fibs. Fibs are amazing, get them into your charts. So what's happening here, I would say that you cooked, basically. I wouldn't envision going too parabolic here, basically. I would say you're going to come in for a correction at this point, because this impulsive move, this is your high, this is your low, and what's happening, you caught up and you've broken out, okay. Always the minimal target is a 1618, but you've got really overextended here. You're on the 2414. So for me, it looks like potentially you could come in for some kind of correction. Could be completely wrong, obviously, but one thing we need to see, obviously, is this low hold that we put in all the way down there. That's the most important hold, right? Because what you could actually be in here, right, really simple, is impulsive, and this could still be a corrective move doing something like this over a long period of time, okay. So primarily what we do need to see is this low hold, most importantly, and then this hold, okay, because this would signify that this was your wave 2 correction, and by confirming that as the wave 2 correction being in here and being done, this has to come up and break this high, because if it does, that's extremely impulsive right there for XRP, okay, in the sense that this is an impulsive wave 1, this is a corrective wave 2, and this is an impulsive wave 3. And like I said to you, come up here, get really overextended, fall back in the wave 4 to this high, break out again, and that is where you're coming for a large ABC correction down the line for XRP, okay. So I'll always try and identify the waves for you and the moves. Right now you can see this is kind of taking off into space. You've met the 2414, so it looks to me the healthy thing here would be some kind of ABC correction coming back down to support, potentially this high, hold it and continue, okay, and this big impulsive move that XRP is experiencing right now. So one way to identify overextension is the RSI. If we take a look at the RSI, you can see that you've got a level here, you've got a series of higher highs. You see where your bodies are on the candles, okay, a series of higher highs, and then you've got a series, well, you know, a lower highs in the RSI. So that's called a bearish divergence, hence why you're rolling here. So it looks to me as though you're potentially on the cusp of some kind of ABC correction here for XRP being really overextended, and the EMA is taking off vertically. Look at that. So currently what you're doing, you're holding the 10, which is nice. You're going to bounce off that. But if you do start to lose this 10, I would anticipate that your 20 is your next level of support, potentially get that. And if you start to come below that, then your 55 all the way down here would be a major level of support for me, like I said to you. And that could be basically, you know, you're coming up swing high, swing low like this. So this is a swing high, swing low. You're coming up, it's a swing high, and right now you could come down and rest on that swing low all the way down there, okay, around about 0.3367, and that would start to look really nice, because what you've done, you've got a low and you come up impulsively, correctively, impulsively, correctively, and you're starting to move upstairs like that and looking to break out and take out that 0.3869 up there. Because if you do, I'm going to show you right now, you're in a larger impulsive move to the upside, and I'll show you exactly what I'm looking at right now in a larger Fibonacci from there to there. you could say that XRP is on its way to a minimal 41 cents, and you could say, okay, well, the large wave 3 is looking to get to the 1618. Your wave 4 pull back to this wave 1 high, and then your wave 5 could, you could come all the way up there, and that's where you start to come in for that larger ABC correction, for XRP, and that would start to look extremely bullish, wouldn't it, going forward for XRP? Something like that, possibly. That's the bullish count. The bearish count, obviously, is that this could be some kind of correction up here, some kind of ABC correction back up to the high, and right now this is a 1, this is a 2, and then you got a big massive 3, 4, 5, something like that, and I wish I could tell you 100% it's going to do this and the other, but I can't. It's all about support and resistance. I've taught you that. So that's a key low at 02876. That's a key high at 03869. Break that, I think you're looking at them targets minimal. Lose that, it's not so clever, okay? And I think we're going to be down there on this purple line, which is the 702 fib on the macro time frame. And on the grand scheme of things, what I do anticipate is that this is just a massive correction that we're going through, and we're looking for a huge impulsive move leading into 2023, coupled with the fact that we may get some positive news from the the case with the SEC right there. So I do go on holiday today for a couple of weeks. I will try and get the updates out for you as best as I can, but good luck everybody. I wish you the utmost luck. So for me, right now, you've ran into resistance, you're coming back, it's all good, this is what happens. For me, this will be a key high for me. Let me drop that in. That'll be a key level support, that swing high. If you do bounce off that, that's really nice. Okay, so let me drop that in for you. That's a key high where I would expect a key level support, because swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, find support where you go, basically. So 03369, this could be a further correction from this point all the way down around about 4.5%. Happy trading, everybody. All of this, if you go long at this point, up to you, use a stop loss, but all of this can be done on BitGet. The link is in each and every single video description, because if we do bounce there, okay, and you start to come up in a massive wave 3, you could be looking at a monster 33% long up on XRP in the future, okay? Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Stay off, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.